limit extending to infinity 1 by x tending to 0. What we observe? 1 plus 5 by x plus 3 by x square divided by 1 plus 1 by x 3 by x square whole to the power x. Extending to infinity 1 by extending to 0, we get 1 to the power infinity form. So whenever 1 to the power infinity form, what we do? E to the power limit extending to infinity g of x into f of x minus 1. So here this is f of x and this is g of x. So applying the same concept, what we get? E to the power limit 1 by x tending to 0 x into what we get here? 1 plus 5 by x by 3x square 1 plus 5 by x by 3 by x square divided by 1 plus 1 by x plus 3 by x square minus 1. So e to the power limit 1 by x tending to 0 x into, if we get 4 by x, that's all. Remaining all part will become 0 divided by 1 plus 1 by x plus 3 by x square. X and x will cancel. We get e to the power 4. If you observe, option A